Hello, everybody. Currently, we are going through a period of admissions for engineering, and many of the parents and students they are more concerned about where in which institute they should take admission or they should go for which specific branch. Now, apart from this, there are few other curious parents or students who are interested to know about what is Bachelor of Engineering and what is Bachelor of Technology. So today I am going to explain you about the difference between Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology. So before I start with the difference, there are few things which I would like to express now here. So let us first understand about what is a manufacturing industry. Now, the aim of manufacturing industry is to first convert raw material into some product. Okay. So the aim is converting raw material into a product. Now, in any manufacturing industry, this job is being done by this is done by what is called as a production shop or production department. Okay, so this is done by production departments. Now, in any industry, this is not the only department which is there. There are many other departments which provide their support to this production departments. So you have a department like PPC, which is called as Production Planning and Control, or you have a department called as Quality Control. You have department like Sales and Marketing department is there. You have department like Industrial Engineering. You have department like R&D, that is Research and Development department is there. You also have a HR department. Apart from this, you also have inventory or stores. It is called as stores, you can say, or inventory department. Apart from this, you have a security vigilance or timekeeping department, you can say. Depending on what is the scale of that industry, how large the industry is, or what kind of industry it is, there might be some few other departments which provide their support to the production department. Now, actually, there is one single department here. You can say this is the production department which converts raw material into the finished product. That means this is a producing department which actually produces the products. Whereas only standalone, only this department cannot do this job unless these departments get support from all other departments which are I have shown here. Okay, so this is one basic structure of any industry. Now let us come to the difference between Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology. So I am just writing down few points here now. Okay, now the first point here is in Bachelor of Engineering, all the subjects which are required for this production department they are taught. Okay, so they are called as core engineering subject. So whether it is related to mechanical or civil or it is related to electronics, it can be of any branch. Okay, so core engineering subjects are taught. Apart from that, these other subjects are also taught. They have subjects like total quality management or subjects related to industrial engineering. So these kind of subjects which are more or less related to management. Okay, these subject they are also taught in Bachelor of Engineering. Whereas in Bachelor of Technology, more stress is given to the core engineering subjects, and these subjects are application oriented. So these are application oriented and they give more stress on practical knowledge than the theory knowledge. So Bachelor of Engineering, you learn more about theory, but the scope is larger. So here you have larger scope. That means number of subjects or variety of subjects will be more in Bachelor of Engineering, whereas in Bachelor of Technology you have pure technical subjects. There are no subjects related to management. Okay. Apart from this, in Bachelor of Engineering you are taught subjects which are related to other branches also from the branch we have opted. So okay, so other branch subjects are also included in Bachelor of Engineering, whereas in Bachelor of Technology other branch subjects are generally not included. I am saying generally, it is not a rule as such, so generally they are not included. Okay. So this is what is the basic difference between Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology. Now there is one more important point which I would like to make here apart from this. In India, we have institute or government organization by the name AICTE. Okay, this AICTE, it actually regulates the technical curriculum or syllabus of all universities and institutes. Okay. So again, in institutes we have different types of institutes, like you have private universities or you have autonomous colleges, autonomous institutes are there. Okay. And then you have institutes affiliated to other universities. Okay. So university affiliated institutes. Now generally those institutes which are autonomous or which are private universities, they offer the qualification of BTech, and other university affiliated colleges, they offer qualification of Bachelor of Engineering. But so long as these two institutes they are affiliated to AICTE, it doesn't matter much if they are affiliated to AICTE, because they follow all the norms of the AICTE. They follow all the guidelines set by AICTE. They also follow the curriculum set by AICTE. So as far as my opinion is concerned, whether you go for BTech or BE, that doesn't make any difference so long as the institute is affiliated to AICTE. So what is more important here now is you should always check what is the institute rankings, and you should check the branch, scope of a branch. So these two factors I consider are more important than BTech and BE. So I hope my explanation will solve your queries related to the difference between Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology. So with this, I thank everybody. Thanks for watching this video.